Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to see about text cleaning. Have you ever wondered how this LLM actually cleans your data? We feed input, right, like in Chat GPT or anywhere. We just write our queries and it gets back the results that we wanted. But exactly what is the text cleaning process that they are doing, the pre-processing technique that they are following? In today's video, we're going to see about that those types of text cleaning, I mean the data cleaning, and what are the methods that they are following, and what are the different types are available. It may be a package or regular expressions. So these generic text cleaning process that they are trying, and the results that we get, which is like very clean, because when we feed the query, it cleans the text that we give in the backend and extract the information from it and understands the query that we asked based on the source it has and gives back the results that we wanted. So this is how this entire step actually happens. But I'm going to explain those text cleaning thing, the data cleaning part, different types of data cleaning, what all the things which is available as packages also. So let's see those things. So let's get started. Yeah. So, if you see here, NLP libraries are available that we already know some of them, which is NLTK packages. Okay, so for the NLTK packages, which we know already previously, we used to follow these things like NLTK package is one familiar data cleaning package that we generally use to clean text like stop words, stemming, lemmatization, those things. I just gave some of things in here. These are like generic data cleaning. Little bit advanced is lemmatization, which will extract the words. If you go for stemming, it identify those root words. For example, if it is working, we can just go and identify that as work. So we have to like go back and extract those root word. That is like the extreme way of cleaning, like, just to understand the context of it. So based on these things, we can teach the model the context of it, the actual meaning of text, and what the exact sentence that they are trying to communicate. Spacey is one of the, little advanced from NLTK, which I used frequently. They have like language model, like small, medium, and large. Mostly small will cover most of the text. We can use it for NER, so name entity recognition and tokens like clean tokens we can obtain, and again the lemmatization which will get the clean text like exactly the meaning that they actually gave for. So the original text is Apple Inc. released iPhone 15 in September 2023. The CEO Tim Cook announced it in Cupertino, California. Okay. So here what we have is Apple Inc. released iPhone 15 in September. So it removed those stop words basically, and it is giving only those important words from it. So this is one among the major text cleaning part. And this one, I don't know, like many of you would have heard, but I've not seen before. Text blob. This was my a new favorite in data cleaning because recently I started using this because you can actually correct your spelling using this package and see just see the original text and the spell check. The amazing. I just actually gave the exact word. Just rephrased it as this movie was amazing. So if you tweet some of your tweet or Instagram or even in WhatsApp, we just gave like short forms or something like expressing stressing few words, right? So for that we can use these things to clean those words, and we can do sentiment analysis, filter some of words like removing stop words. Not only that, we can actually remove the punctuations along with the stop words. We can do that. And key phrases we can identify, like what majorly the particular text is sentence is talking about. So it's good, right? So this is one text block. You can actually install everything. What all I'm showing here, you can do it using pip. Can use pip install and install things. Regular expressions we know. I'm not going to talk about this more. It's like regex. You just write, and there are like a lot of things available. You can ask ChatGPT to write regex for to remove emails or any HTTP links. You can remove that. If it is like too straightforward, you can use regex. But if you wanted to do it for wider text range, you can go with this NLP libraries and specialized cleaning libraries, some of which I have. Clean text. This is one. See, you can actually install using Clip. So they are particularly using these for text like short text, like tweet or tweet. I don't know how to say that. SpaceX, posts. For that, you can actually use this particular package. It removes those emojis, and you can identify whether it is a website URL or email ID, and it gives it as a tag in here. So you can see URL, email, yeah, characters reduced 87%. So you can have actually a threshold set for this thing to remove like this much amount of information I need. So remove uh, particularly on that. Above 80, above 90, you can actually ask it. Nice, no? This I've heard, but not a fan of it. But um, this is for gibberish text mostly. And Spacey also will work on gibberish. You can ignore those things. If you're going for translation and all, I don't know. For that, directly use LLM, but here is a fix. So when you give the broken text, like the gibberish, but we know how it is, right? It's a cafe resume. So I just transferred that into like decent characters, so which is human in human readable format. So yeah, it is not a translation, but correcting your sentence or text. So may not fix all issues. Only for encoding requires understanding. But I don't know, like in what way we can use in generic, but it may help. It may be a helpful package for specific use cases, specific cleaning. If you're like deep diving in cleaning, you can use that. And uni decoder, similar, same. So this one is one of the not translation again. It is somewhat similar to the previous package, but it keeps you. Yes. So when you give the product details and the ASCII in the sense, right, the numerical format of your characters, which is your system assigned characters, and it gives straight away, it gives us a URL. So what you do is you just give your product name and it just convert that into a URL. So for that, and I don't know how many of you are actually having these kind of data, but this is not necessary, I feel. I'm just telling you guys that this is one among, a package which is used for text cleaning. maybe we don't know the actual purpose of this, but yeah, we can create a API. They are saying simple API handles many scripts, consistent output, good for URLs. Yeah, like you can clean the URLs, it seems. So for that, like those specific URLs that we need to change overall, for that we can use straightforward package like this. And preprocessor. Okay. So majorly we use these kind of things for email cleaning. That is the toughest cleaning which I feel, because when you give novels or PDF files, it is all paragraphs. But when you give email, you don't know, you can't judge a person how they actually write. For that, these kind of things is very useful. So this is one among that. Let me give you this. So it just extracted only the text in the original sentence, original post. That's all. It didn't add anything, it didn't lose anything. It just removed the extras like HTTP link, emojis, and a sentence with at. That's all. Decent. It's like it is useful. It will be very useful. Tweet preprocessor. You can use it for any of your data which is having similar purpose. Text hero. Nice name. So what it does is you give a original review. Like you write a sentence with ratings, emojis. You need to extract what is the context or what is the actual words that they gave the text. You don't need to have the ratings or the other numbers or any other characters you need. Just clean the data, the comments or reviews that you post. So it is one among those. And we can use these things. Text hero and text preprocessor. So previously we saw tweet preprocessing, now text preprocessing. And I think it's a similar one. Just cleaning your original text and giving the actual data from it. So, yes, we can use it for IEEE papers to remove the author names or any emails, other unwanted data. We can just use it for those. Academic paper cleaning, particularly, they are using this packages for this, will be useful uh, that you can actually rely on. So, yeah, data cleaning is very important if we are going for text models, and these days everything is text. So, if you prefer to focus on fine tuning or building text model from scratch, consider these text cleaning, data cleaning packages, which will make your job easy, so that you can feed a cleaned, neat data to a model so that it understands properly and gives accuracy, a good accuracy that you expected. So, yeah, try these. Let me know in comments if you have any doubt or if you need anything more other than these things. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.